guys, and welcome to my beauty room tour. So behind this door I keep some of my scarves. I also have some of the purses that I use more often and some hats and also some flower crowns. This thing you can get at IKEA. Behind that door I have the Billy shelf where I store some of my shoes and purses. So as you can see in this first shelf I have my Louis Vuitton purse. I also have my Philip Linn bag. Then we have a Marc Jacob purse. The black one I made myself. I have a gold skull and also these stilettos from Forever 21. This is kind of my black and white shelf. As you can see, I have my Karl Lagerfeld purse, my newest one, and 2 pair of shoes from Nelly. And as you can see, this shelf fits so much. So in this shelf right here, I have all my black and gold ones. Down here, we have my studded shoes and spikes. So these ones are from Gus. And then I have this pair here from Jeffrey Campbell. These are absolutely bomb. Then these are from Nelly. This is my most loved pair of Chanel shoes. Then the brown ones are from Italy. These ones are from Karl Lagerfeld. And last but not least, Kylie and Kendall. So if there's something I don't mention and you have any questions, please leave them down below. Then I have this huge closet which goes all the way from the ceiling to the floor, and it's red. I love it. So in here on the right side I keep some of my shirts, blouses and blazers, which I love. I try to keep them color coordinated as well because I need to have everything organized around me, and this is one of my faves. This is very Chanel. Then I have this sparkly one from H&M which I also love, and you probably saw this in my LA haul, which is from Sarah. Then on the left side, all the way to the left, I keep my caps and hats. I also have a Marc Jacobs purse in this shelf right here. Moving down, I have some more purses, more Marc Jacobs, another Marc Jacobs, and in this Harrods bag, I keep a lot of clutches and small purses. In this shelf, I have more purses, no surprise. So I have Donna Karan New York, Burberry, and all that jazz. In this shoebox, I keep all my dust bags for all my designer purses. We have some belts, another purse in the back right there. Then I have a purse from Calvin Klein all the way to the left, and we have my Alexander Wang purse, which I love. It's one of my faves. Here are another Marc Jacobs one and some clutches and random bags as well. So next to this shelf, I keep some of my play suits, jumpsuits, skirts, more blazers and shorts. So in this closet, I keep more of my high-end fashion. I also have a closet in my bedroom. Then opposite to the closet, I have this Girls By shelf. I will have everything in a blog post. So in the first row, I have my beige and white shoes. These are all from Nelly. In the second shelf, I keep a champagne bottle, a vanilla candle, and this cute Audrey Hepburn clutch. I love it. And these shoes are from Topshop. They make me so tall, so I've worn them a lot, as you can see. Moving on, I have this Karl Lagerfeld purse, which I got in Berlin. I love it. And these sparkly gold shoes. And on the 2 bottom shelves as well, I have even more shoes. Moving on, I have these Calyx shelves right here. I also bought some drawers to them. So at the top, I have these boxes right here where I store some of my sunglasses. I also have this Prada box right here and my Louis Vuitton scarf. Then I also have some random things in the 2 shelves, and in these drawers I keep some of my gloves. These are from Karl Lagerfeld. I have Forever 21, Bianca, H&M. Then I have my earrings in this drawer right here. So I have 2 different pouches as well. Next drawer I keep my necklaces and chokers, and you can see that I'm a huge fan. Then I have my Vogue magazines, some different kinds of essentials, and in this drawer I keep all my headbands, and we have more jewelry at the bottom drawer. So moving left, I have 4 more of the Girls By shelves. As you can see, I love to collect and decorate my beauty room. I feel so happy when I enter it every morning. So all the way to the right, I have 2 shelves filled with flats. Then I have this adorable pair from Topshop, a picture that says "Make your dreams happen," and a Maubousine bag. Then I have dedicated a whole shelf to Tiffany because I love it and I love the color and how it looks in the beauty room. So here I have some necklaces, earrings, perfumes and stuff. and all the way at the top I have some sunglass displays as well. In the second unit I have some flats, nail polish, and in this row right here I have all my Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. I have 2 of the Lolita ones because your girl needs backup. Then I have a vanilla candle from IKEA. This display is also from IKEA. I have some MUA liquid lipsticks and the Everlasting liquid lipstick kit. And then I have another shelf dedicated to Tiffany where I have some more jewelry boxes and this cute cup right here, and I have my earrings in there. Then moving on, I have a Chanel box and some Saks jewelry boxes and my watches from Michael Kors and Marc Jacobs. Moving on, I have 2 more shelves, and at the top I keep some of my handbag boxes and shopping bags. So here I keep some of my YSL makeup like concealers that I haven't touched yet, and some lipsticks. I even have some MAC Snowball collection lipsticks, a Chanel powder, my Victoria's Secret mists, and some Estee Lauder and Elizabeth Arden lipsticks. And this painting I actually did myself. I also have some nail polishes, and this cup is so cute. It says I'm so miserable without you, but luckily I have my coffee. Then moving on, I also have these 2 golden statue things which I got for Halloween for best costume. Here I also keep my Chanel lipsticks as well and some Elizabeth Arden ones. These letters I actually did myself in a DIY. I also have a vanilla candle, and all my candles and displays are from IKEA. I also have some of my Morphe palettes right here. So at the top of this unit I have my perfume collection, but I will do a separate video because I've seen your requests, so stay tuned, it will be up next week. And in this last Gersby unit I have more lip products. If you want to see makeup collection, give this video a thumbs up. At the top shelf I have this Perk Up and Pretty coffee mug by Tarte. I also have this quote by Steve Jobs: "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." So here I have this rose which remind me of the Beauty and the Beast, which is one of my favorite movies, so I got that at IKEA, no surprise. Then I also have this lipstick display where I keep some of my liquid lipsticks. So we have NYC, we have NYX, and a lot of good stuff. In this one I have all my MAC lipsticks, so I set together a display by using 9 containers, and we also have some Jeffree Star lip is right here. So over my vanity I have this picture which I have painted myself. I'm obsessed with Chanel, as you've probably seen by now, and here is an overlook of how my vanity looks. I have the mom vanity, I love it, and here is a little sneak peek of how I store this drawer right here. On top here I have a DIY Chanel vase and some flowers from IKEA. This Hollywood mug I got in LA. I also keep an empty Versace bottle because I think it looks adorable, and a candle from Bath & Body Works. Everything you see here is from IKEA as well. So I keep my brushes, so I have my face brushes, eyeshadow, blending brushes, and more face brushes in here. And I tied a bow around them because I thought it was so cute. Then I have some palettes. This is actually like a plate holder from IKEA. And I have the Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe palette, Coastal Scents. And I also have these 2 Starbucks coffee mug because Starbucks is my jam. Next to my vanity I have 2 of these Alex 5 drawer units. And in these I keep all my foundations, primers, bronzers, powders, basically all my face products. And here you have a little sneak peek. And on top here I keep some candles, Bath & Body Works lotions, a Spare Fix Plus. Then I have another Calyx unit. This is in pink. I think it's so cute. And down here I keep all my cameras, chargers, microphones, lenses, and all that jazz that I need when I'm filming. In this one I have wigs, cameras, and a lot of random stuff. So in the top shelves I keep some random essentials and display things like shopping bags, and on top here I have this adorable bracelet displays where I keep my watches. I got that off eBay, so I will have a link at my blog. Then we have some more IKEA candles. I just am obsessed with these. So around this one I keep some of my bracelets and stuff, and I also added this cute Givenchy sticker on this to make it a little bit more sophisticated. Then I also have this picture which I printed out which says "You had me at Prada." I also have my Too Faced Christmas collection on top here, and also this cute pink Hollywood sign. Next to this I have 4 more of the Alex 5 drawers and also 1 9 drawer units, and in here I keep the rest of my makeup. So I have these pink stickers to mark where everything is, and I love these units because as you can see it fits so much, and I actually found a solution at IKEA as well how to store your your palettes and all your makeup. So if you want to see a makeup collection, give it a thumbs up. So on top of the first unit here, I have this cupcake display or cake tray. And here I keep some of my necklaces and headbands that I really love. So I wanted them to be displayed. And we also have another vanilla candle, and this looks so adorable. On top of the 4 units, I have this silver hand, which is a ring display thing. I also have this Ellen cup, my Dior Showcase makeup trainee case, and a Louis Vuitton handbag, and some goodies. And that's it for my beauty room tour, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, everything will be listed down below and on my blog, so you can go and shop. Before you go, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out my giveaway that I have going on right now. It will be live until February 14th. And when that's been said, I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!